When you're locked down or in this case, at home, you need also to find a way to write or to sketch or to draw, or to take pictures, to somehow find yourself.
This year has been very crucial for fashion design.
Looking differently was the subtitle of the event, and the meaning of the title has different layers.
Looking differently is another way to look at fashion, to find different angles, different perspective, the sound, the noise.
We saw a dialogue with the architecture, with the building. Here we created a kind of environment with light, dark, sound. The idea was to look up and discover the garments.
We missed the use of hands, which is a lot of what we do in fashion. So when you craft something, you use your hands.
What we really wanted to express with this presentation is the idea of a very rough energy.
Everybody is searching for a kind of solution. Everybody is looking for something.
Fashion is not about just one single man. Fashion is about a team of people working together to achieve the best result in a fashion show.